got your back. I can.
There we go. How are you guys? Oh, it's good to see you today. And I thought I would get this in the bag earlier today and get it posted. The Seahawks are on. Um, the grandkids are all, I believe, all at the big pool where there's water slides. It's a community pool. Um, And I think the only ones in the house right now are my husband and my son-in-law. Although I might have just heard somebody come back. So if you hear anything happening, don't be surprised. But yeah, it's a happy Sunday morning with the Seahawks playing, and the grandkids are all having a great time at the pool. And um, both my daughters are there, and one son-in-law is there, but the Seahawks are on, and you know, yeah, Bob and Philip are in Seahawk Haven there. But I wanted to share a story with you today, and the life lessons one, I had to do this story today. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's one of the Olivia books, and Olivia the pig is quite a famous character. Although I was looking up the uh, um, artist and illustrator on this, and the artist is known for his Sonic the Hedgehog and different kind of things. And I think since Nickelodeon took over, did an Olivia series, there's been some shift in it, but I'm not quite sure on that. Don't have all my research stuff available to me right now. I probably could, but when you get crawled on by grandkids, you kind of go with that. It was a great day yesterday. It was so much fun. But anyway, that all comes back. I'll tell you all about it when I do eventually get back. But today, they're here today, and tomorrow, I think Bryn and Danny are heading home on Wednesday. Um, so we probably have recordings premieres for another couple of days today and probably Monday and Tuesday just to be safe. Um, because I'm just having a great time, you guys. I'm just having a great time with the kids. It's amazing. But it's also pretty nice to be able to let them go to the big pool and have a little bit of quiet. Yeah. Big breath. But today, the story for you is called Olivia, Guide to Life, or Olivia's Guide to Life. It is Olivia, A Guide to Life. So Olivia is a great pig, and her stories and books have been a favorite of kids in my library and of me to read for some time. But this is one that I thought her pearls of wisdom. Oh yeah, you know, it's so cool when an author or a series develops that series further and takes it and expands on it and uses the the reputation of that character to really make something spectacular. So here we have Olivia, A Guide to Life. Um, Hi, I'm Olivia, and this is my teacher, Mrs. Huggenmuller. Today in class, she read us a book about life lessons and gave us a homework assignment. Over the weekend, she said, I'd like you all to come up with a list of your own life lessons. Want to know a secret? I love giving advice, and my friends say I'm good at it too. So I was really excited to get started. But when I got home, I wasn't excited. I was stuck. I couldn't come up with even one life lesson. Then hmm, I saw my red clothes and shoes. Most of my clothes are red because it's my favorite color. That's how I came up with my first life lesson. Be Colorful. I think everyone should have a favorite color. And if you ask me, it should be red. But how do you choose a favorite color? By thinking about the colors that make you feel good inside and out. The next day, I went to my grandma's house to get more ideas. My grandma always has good advice. Grandmas do that. Would you like some lemonade, honey? She asked me. Yes, please, I answered, just like she taught me. Aren't you sweet? Grandma said, passing me a glass. Thank you, I replied, then added, yes, I am. That made Grandma laugh. Always say the magic words. Grandma taught me magic words. Please, thank you. It's a sign of respect, she told me. It's very important to say please and thank you when people are being nice to you, and even when they aren't. Listen to Grandma and me. A little bit of manners goes a long way. That was her second life lesson. Another life lesson came to me in dance class later that day when I was doing a pirouette and fell down. Huh. Ouch! I squealed. I got up and tried to do another pirouette and fell again. Ouch! Double ouch! I cried. But you know what I did? I got up again and I tried again. Don't be afraid to fall down. Falling is part of life, or so I try to remember to get back up and try again and again and again. It takes practice to land on your feet, my dance teacher says. And I think she is right. The next day, my friend Julian told me that someone had made fun of him for wearing the same yellow hoodie all the time. But it's my favorite hoodie, Julian explained. And it's so you, I said. Be yourself. Just be yourself, Julian, I told him. I like you and your hoodie, just the way you are. After that, Julian wore his yellow hoodie with his head held high. Later that day, my friend Francine and I were talking about our big dreams. I want to be an opera singer, I told Francine. So do I, Francine replied, but I can't sing very well. Dream big. Even if you think you can't sing now, I told her, it doesn't mean you won't sing better later. Let's become opera singers together. Believing in your dreams is the first step in making them come true. If you believe in yourself and you work hard, anything can happen. I got some great ideas for life lessons this weekend, and I couldn't wait to present them in class tomorrow. But it was time for bed. My mom tucked me in and said, I love you. That made me think of one more life lesson. Be nice. Be nice to your family, even your brothers, and tell them that you love them all at least once a day. I love you, Ian and William. I yelled loudly enough so my brothers could hear me in their rooms. What? I missed a page. Where's the page? Reload. Hang on. I love you, Ian and William. I yelled loudly enough so my brothers could hear me in their rooms. Dad, peeked his head in the door. "Shh, Olivia, you'll wake your brothers." "Oops, I forgot about that. I love you, Dad and Mom." "We love you too, Olivia," said Mom. "And here's one more life lesson. Everything is better with a good night's sleep. Sweet dreams." And that is Olivia knows a lot about life, from how to choose a favorite color to why it's important to be yourself. Olivia has wisdom galore and she wants to share it with you. Yes, she does. So sorry about the little glitch there at the end. The internet here at Annalene and Phillips has been kind of a challenge, and my iPad cut out there on the right at the end of the book, so I had to pause the recording real quick and run grab my phone and replug that in so that way it was there. That little, I had the repeat of that one part. Apologize, but I don't think I'm going to re-record the whole thing. I'm just going to let it go as it is because you know what, you guys, this is the way it is, and sometimes I gotta get this in because when I ran out to grab my phone, um, Philip and Bob were just letting me know that the kids are getting ready to come back for lunch. So, hmm, I don't have time to record it again. So, thank you for accepting it the way it is. And for all of you guys, I appreciate you so much for being here. I appreciate you for listening to the stories, for enjoying the stories, for seeing the artwork for what it is. Olivia is an amazing book in all how she's drawn and all the different series that she's done. It's so whimsical and so fun, but also the fact that the book has that idea about life lessons and a little bit more. And I just love sharing that with you guys. I hope it brightens your day a little bit. I hope it fills your bucket. It filled mine, just like always reading for you guys fills my bucket and is just a joy. So thanks for inviting me into your home. Thanks for coming into the story circle with me. And until next time, you know, that we join together again for a story circle for story and art. I'm keeping it real. Keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around. But the first place you'll find it is in your mirror. And I'll see you next time.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.